Divorce mediation is a cost-effective and quite honestly a recommended way for people to resolve their marital differences. How divorce mediation works is that the litigants, in essence, retain a mediator together. They both make the decision to go and seek out the assistance of a mediator. I've conducted hundreds of economic mediations successfully. What happens is that I conduct an initial consult with both parties, and I explain to them the process. And the process entails the both of them retaining me to act as a neutral, as a third party to help them resolve their differences. During a mediation, I sit down with the parties, I review their finances, I try to establish what their respective goals are, and we work together collaboratively to come up with an agreement. If a mediation is successful, at the conclusion of the mediation, I would then draft what's called a memorandum of understanding, which will in essence act as an outline for a comprehensive settlement agreement. Mediation is cost-effective because the litigants are only paying one attorney, the mediator, as opposed to both attorneys at the same time. And then once the mediation is successfully concluded, I would encourage the litigants to retain mediation-friendly attorneys. I would then forward the memorandum of understanding to one of the parties' attorneys, who would then incorporate my outline into a comprehensive settlement agreement, which would then be reviewed by the other spouse's attorney. So in essence, a typical divorce wherein a typical litigated divorce wherein the parties would pay a $5,000 retainer to each respective attorney, so you'd be upfront $10,000 retainer. In a mediated case, it's conceivable that the cost would be significantly less. The mediator gets paid on an hourly basis, usually on a per session at a per session rate. And subsequent to that, the litigation attorneys, if they know that the case has already been resolved before it comes to them, will charge a reduced retainer as well.